Hey guys, this is Spencer from Buildapreneur, and in this video I'm going to show you 9 different work from home ideas that you can use to basically make an extra 500 to 1,000 bucks a month, from the comfort of your own home, typically online. Now, the reason I'm making a video like this, because I typically don't do videos like this, is honestly there's a lot of bogus stuff out there. There's a lot of people putting out kind of bogus videos with bogus methods for doing this. And so I spent a lot of time finding ones that I've used and made money with, and ones that I know people that are using and making money with as well. So we're not going to do an intro or anything. We're just going to dive in and start going over these methods. Remember, the cool thing about these methods is you don't have to have a lot of skills. Most of them don't take a lot of time. They're fairly easy to do, and most anyone could do most of them. So the first one is Turo.com. If you haven't heard of that, it's basically like Airbnb, but for cars. It's where you, an owner of a car, can rent out your car to people that are traveling in your area. Okay, so I've used this many times, and it's awesome. So you're a car owner, and you're not using your car, let's say Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday every week, or on the weekends, Friday and Saturday every week, and so all you've got to do is go and you've got somebody that'll rent out, that's looking to travel in the area, and they don't want to go to an enterprise rental car or something like that. And so this site connects you, and for 30, 40, 50 bucks a day, you can rent out your minivan to them, and you can make this easy side hustle income where all you've got to do is drop off the car, when they first get there, and then maybe drop them back off at the airport when you're done. It's also got all kinds of cool things where you can add like upsells and things like that. You can say like, hey, I'll throw in car seats, and I'll throw in strollers, and free car cleaning, and all kinds of fun things that you can do to really increase that income using upsells. I also like it because it's free. Okay, so it'll take you maybe 15-20 minutes to go onto Turo.com right now, and there's that link down below, and sign up and start renting out your car. And you only pay you have to give up, I think, 10 or 15% of the amount that you make when someone rents out your car. The next one is big for all you pet lovers out there. I'm not really a pet guy, but if you like dogs and cats and all that stuff, let me know down below. And then this is probably the best program for you. It basically connects people that own pets and are trying to they need house sitters and dog sitters and dog walkers, and they're going on vacation, or they're going to work every day, and they need someone to entertain and keep their pets healthy. And all you've got to do is you connect with them on this site, right? This site will connect with them, so you've got to be in their area, of course. And then they'll pay you various amounts for watching their dog, or just sitting in the house and playing with their dog or their cat, or just feeding them once a day, right? Like typically very easy tasks. And if you like animals, this seems like an awesome solution for you. I don't, but for you. The third one's kind of like the Turo site we just showed you, but it's how to make money if you've just got a little extra space around your house. Okay, if you've got an extra room, or you've got an RV pad or a shed in your backyard that you're not using, Neighbor allows you to rent out that extra space for people that are looking for space. Okay, and I have used this. Basically, someone's got a bunch of boxes they want to store, and they don't have room in their house, or they're moving or something like that. They pay you 50 to 100 bucks a month to store them in your house, and they win because they didn't have a place to store them, and you win because you pretty much have to do nothing. They just come load them up and bring them into your house. You're now done. They're charging you 100 bucks a month just to store that stuff in your corner of your house, or in that room of your house. Okay, the fourth one is usertesting.com. I don't love these sites, I'll be honest. Okay, what they are is it's companies that have products that they want to test out. Okay, so it could be softwares or physical products, whatever it is. They basically say, hey, we're about to launch this product. We really want to know, if it makes sense to people, what the issues are, the bugs. We want a lot of people to use it first before we go on a big launch. So they'll use this site like usertesting.com, and they'll go out there and they'll put out their product, and then you get paid. It's pretty good. You get paid. It's up to like 50 bucks an hour, basically, to run through and test their products and catch any glitches or bugs or confusing aspects to their product and let them know. So it's awesome on the surface, right? You make 50 bucks an hour. All you're doing is like testing softwares. The hard part about these companies is you typically can't, you can't work 4 or 5 hours a day. It's very hard to actually get projects. So most of the ones I've signed up for, you fill out all your information, right? And then it'll like tell you when you qualify for something. I make, I'll maybe get one or two a month where I qualify. And so it's maybe 1 or 2 extra 100 bucks a month. And maybe it's just because people aren't looking for me as their audience, and so I don't qualify for a lot. But just from my experience, a lot of these sites, they're definitely worth signing up for, because you can make an extra couple $100 a month, right, pretty easily. But you're not going to be able to make that full 1,000 from my experience, because you're just not going to be able to find enough enough work on these sites. They're like fairly competitive in how many people are using them, and there's just not enough companies using them on the other side. The fifth one is awesome, okay? If you have no shame, it's for you. Just kidding, you can have shame. But basically, it's called Grabit, grab.io, and if you go there, they pay you a couple $100 a month to put advertisements on your car, okay? So Target goes to this company and they say, hey, we'll pay somebody $200 or $300 a month if they will put a big Target ad on their window, and then you sign up and you say, yeah, I will put a Target ad on my window for $200 or $300 a month, and now everyone's happy, right? Target's getting advertising space. You are doing zero work except for driving around like you always would, and you're making a couple extra $100 a month. But like I said, you have to be okay with your car kind of getting all filled up with stickers and advertisements and decals and things like that. Just depends on who you are and where you're at in life, right? The sixth one is kind of like Airbnb. Just note, this does not work if you have a criminal record. So if you do have a criminal record, we are not judging you, but you cannot do this one because you're driving kids. Basically, you're driving kids to school. You're getting paid to drive kids to school. Okay, so these families that maybe both parents have jobs or things like that, and they need to get their kids places and they don't have a way to get them there. Well, Airbnb doesn't work for them. Airbnb doesn't work for kids under 18 alone. But this Hop Skip Drive, they'll do background checks and stuff like that, and they do work for kids under the age of 18. So all you do is you go sign up, you get your background checks and stuff, and then families in the area can either schedule you or hire you, on a permanent basis to drive their kids to and from school and to sports and soccer practice and things like that. And you can make very good money, more than $1,000 a month quite easily using this method. But you've got to get the background check passed, and there's got to be a family in your area or a couple families in your area that actually use this. The seventh one is one you probably haven't heard before, and I'm going to say it, and everyone's going to click X and close this out. Don't close out until you hear me out. It's YouTube, okay? It's making money with the YouTube channel. But I'm going to show you a way that you do not have to ever put your face on the channel. You don't actually have to make any of the videos using yourself, okay? And it's what's called YouTube Creative Commons, okay? So let's say I wanted to make a YouTube channel about cats. I type in cats.
I really don't like cats.
And then you're actually going to click filter here, and you're going to go to Creative Commons here, okay? And you're going to get all kinds of cat videos, okay? And they're all Creative Commons, which means you now have the rights to them. You can use these videos to make your own videos. A few of them are a little different, but if you click into almost any one of them, and then you click the Show More button, go all the way down to the bottom, it'll show you the license, and as long as it says Creative Commons Attribution License Reuse Allowed, you can download this video, and you can cut it up. You can download 3 or 4 cat videos and cut it up and make your own funny cat video, and now you can do that without ever having cats or putting your own face on a channel, and you can start making money on YouTube without ever videoing your own content. So Creative Commons on YouTube is awesome. Totally possible to make a good income doing this. You just have to get like a cheap video editing software, and then if you if you kind of enjoy it and editing, and you kind of enjoy cats, then you can have some fun with this and make some side income as a YouTuber. The next one is affiliate marketing. Oh, everyone watching this video that's a subscriber knows I talk about affiliate marketing a lot. It's one of my favorite ways to make money online. All affiliate marketing is most companies have referral programs, and affiliate marketing is kind of just taking that from a business perspective. So if I go to my Airbnb account right here, right, it's got a refer a host. Earn $100 for each host you refer, or invite friends, get $30 each time you invite a friend, okay? And all affiliate marketing is we're doing that at scale. So you'll pick a few companies that you really like and enjoy, you'll sign up for their affiliate program, they'll give you a link, and then you'll start telling people. You'll post on Facebook and you'll tell your friends about it, and you'll find that you'll start making some decent commissions just by talking about something that you love, and instead of linking directly to their website, you link to your affiliate link, and then the company will pay you as you refer people to them. And the last one, I have done this so much, so many beginning entrepreneurs have done this. It works, it will always work, there will always be opportunities in this. This is probably the most labor intensive, but it's also the most fun, it's enjoyable. What you can do is you're gonna go to the Facebook Marketplace, and you're either gonna type in free, okay? And you can see there's just tons of free stuff. A lot of this is spam, but there's some free kids books that are real, and free black leather couch, okay? So you can either type in free, or you can type in, a really low price, like $0 to $5. And you can see really, really cheap couches, all kinds of things on the Facebook Marketplace, okay? And then you're gonna go buy it and you're gonna post it for a higher price. Okay, you're gonna go find stuff that's a good deal. And I have people tell me all the time, like, there are no good deals left. But let me tell you, when we were moving about 6 months ago, we got down to our moving day and we loaded up our little mini truck that we rented, and we had so much more stuff than we could fit in the truck. We had beds and couches and dressers and coffee tables, and we were moving in like 2 hours, right? We had to get rid of this stuff, and so we were throwing it on Facebook for such crazy low prices, and people were able to, people got free beds and people got really cheap dressers and things like that. And this is not sold to us. Okay, there are people that just want to get rid of something fast, and if you can offer them half the price, but it means it'll be gone today, right now, they are totally fine with that. And then you can post it at maybe a price more close to what it's worth, and then you just have to hold on to it for a few days until you find the right buyer and sell it. Okay, this works. I promise you, it works well. You'll probably end up holding on to some junk for a little while, but it's just a really cool entrepreneurial way to make an extra couple $100 or $1,000 a month. Okay, what's your favorite? Have you done any of these? Let me know in the comments. If you've liked the video at all, I love a thumbs up. That's your way of leaving me a tip, as they say. And next for you is maybe you're looking for a little more passive income. So yes, these are ways to make an extra $500 to $1,000 a month. But if you're looking to make an extra $500 to $1,000 a month passively, this video has some methods for you now.